Hello. I know seeing so many oils and figuring out so many blends and understanding might be overwhelming. So what I have done is मैंने ये वीडियो बनाया है आपको blends देने के लिए to tell you which blends you can use for what for your individual skin type. तो आपको वो brain work और दिमाग लगाने का stress ना उठाना पड़े. I know stress is a big problem these days in our lives. So these oils are designed for skin health and stress relief. So you not only get better skin, you not only get a better face yoga experience, but you also help get stress relief and anxiety relief. So let's start with the first calming blend, which is good for sensitive skin. If you think your skin breaks out early, very soon, and it gets eruptions very soon, then this can be a good oil for you. 1 teaspoon jojoba oil with half teaspoon calendula oil and 2 drops of lavender essential oil. This helps to repair skin and calm the nervous system. It's very good for sensitive skin. It's very good for people who are slightly acne prone and want to start with oils in a smaller way. Then we have a glow and balance blend, which is good for dry skin. It has 1 teaspoon sesame oil, half teaspoon almond oil, 1 teaspoon of jojoba oil to create that blend and the glide, 2 drops of geranium essential oil. It helps with deep nourishment and also helps with uplifting mood. So if you use this blend daily with your face yoga exercise, you are going to see amazing results. Then we have a clear and grounding blend, which is good for oily skin. 1 teaspoon jojoba oil, half teaspoon neem oil, 1 drop of cedar wood essential oil and 1 drop of patchouli essential oil. It helps to control acne and also helps to ground the energy. We really never know. A lot of times the stress that we're going through mentally also triggers our skin and we start getting acne. I know not everyone shares this, but trust me, what you're thinking also and what you're eating also shows up on your skin. Remember, always store your oils in dark bottles. Do a patch test before trying it out and do not overload your essential oils. Make oils whenever you're making your blend. If you feel that the flow is not well enough, it's not gliding well enough, then I always recommend you can add a little more of jojoba oil or you can add apricot base oil. It works wonders for your skin. It works wonders for your skin brightening and your glow and your dark patches. But use these blends within 6 months of making them and see that if it starts smelling bad, always check out and stop using them. The blends don't nourish your skin, they may become your rituals with your face yoga. Did you know when you inhale lavender, geranium or cedarwood or patchouli, they're not only treating your skin, but they're also helping you sleep better, they're also helping you with stress and anxiety relief, and they're also helping you calm your mind down when it's always in the running mood. So I hope these blends were good for you. Any questions, any doubts you would have, do write out in the comments below. I would go ahead and answer them for sure as and when it comes in. And if this overwhelms you, then we have the next course coming up where we will be talking about the pre-formulated Arizu face oils, where you do not have to think and worry about what to make yourself and how to get these oils. I will be talking about the Arizu face oils, and it's perfectly formulated for face yoga, for face massage, and with a beautiful blend of oils. Let's talk about it in the next session. See ya.